Guys, me Officer Evil Long. Sorry I haven't updated video for a little while. We need to get that. We need to get home. Just over here, guys. Got my identifier. Okay. We have a name, Brendan Olivia. Brendan Olivia has warrant for the H, and I live in Brendan here. So, yeah, I come back up that they're going to jail. Tell me today, Fabian is going to jail. He's gonna be in the cuffs. Please send me the location of their house. Guys, police officer always has a warm glove. They're at school. Yeah. Nancy doses and I'm supposed to be in school, guys, but because I am. Alright, let's go. We should find the house. School. And this is their apartment. Please open up. Hey. Hell yeah. Nobody's in the week. Huh? Did you heard? Alright. Okay guys, she's coming out, but we have to wait. Yeah. You got it? Alright. You gotta talk to her. Hey! What's up? You have a warrant? I'm sorry. Buddy, lady, don't cry. Can you go into your house? Yeah? Cool. Okay. Okay, don't cry. Ashley, Olivia's in her room. Who's it? Officer. Hey, what's up? Yes, they're here, okay? Hi, Olivia. Oh my gosh, Avery! Back up, okay? Yo. You need back, okay? What for, officer? What do you want? We have a warrant. We have a warrant. For what? Of you? For what, officer? Vivian, okay, come over here. Alright, officer, tell me why you're back here. We tell you in a minute. Wait. There's a plain cuts on you. Okay, buddy? Look at this. Officer, tell me why didn't you arrest me? Oh, you have a warrant. For what, officer? You're my friend, Avery. Don't do this to me. I have to. No, is Brendan in our house? Yeah. Brendan. Huh? Good. What's up, buddy? Hey, officer. Oh yeah, you officer wrong. Are we wrong? Yeah. You cannot. We have a we have it won't be burning. I'm sorry. Turn her back and get taste. Okay, buddy. Don't fight with us. Don't resist. Huh? Burner? Oh, come on, him on the ground. Burden, we don't want to hurt you. Oh, I'm okay, guys. I'm gonna go now. Get on the ground. Really, officer? What do you expect? Officer, tell me why you're here. I told you, buddy, because we weren't. Just turn back and don't fight. Do you want to get taste? We can. Don't. I'm done. Officer, I'm done. Stop that. Don't move. Huh? You got it? Oh, you got that view? Oh my God. Who's going to jail? I have a warrant. Touch your buddy. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. We got her. See ya.